Welcome back, my fellow friends. This is Stock Talk, and we have absolutely killed Matic lately. Matic has, the whole market's doing very well, and especially Matic is doing extremely well, 25% on the day. But we're on the 4-hour chart here, and if you guys would have watched, if you guys would have subscribed, consider subscribing now because we did actually call this move. I made this price target in the past video, and again, this was a Fibonacci zone and a measurement. So, it is a zone. It's not a certain price level. So, it was down a little bit, but I still think that we could see that 230 move. We called out this pullback and this bull flag to a absolute uptrend of this. But let's go ahead and take a peek at some shorter time frames because I believe we are going to still hit our price target. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. And again, look at this. We're continuously making higher lows, which is a very good sign for an ascending triangle. See how we're making higher lows? So now I'm looking for that run up. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a price or a resistance line right there. I'm actually looking for this run up to it. I'm gonna go ahead and delete these now just because the purpose. But again, we're riding this 20 SMA. It's going to squeeze it out of this resistance. And again, if you guys, I wish we had NASDAQ level 2 because NASDAQ level 2 NASDAQ level 2 is for stock market, but I wish we had a level 2 on trading view because that gives you market depth and you can see if there's a lot of buyers or sellers at this point and you can really see what it's going to do in the short term. But a false breakout here, but eventually broke up. And let's go ahead and take a measurement of this. This is around 13 cents. And again, probably going to break, and this could potentially be up another 13 cents, which is around 130. I have a sell order at 125 or 225 because I want to get filled. And well, I'm selling a quarter of my I'm selling a quarter of my position for trading. I'm actually selling an eighth of my whole position, but I'm holding half of my position long term. So I'm actually only selling a quarter of my position at this because I'm going to move it into XRP. If you guys want to see what XRP has in store, go ahead, check some past videos of mine. I'm about to make one today because the whole market's doing great, so a lot of people want to know. And I have no problem, and I actually enjoy doing this. Look, the altcoin, we can go ahead and look. I don't want to make this too crazy, but the altcoin market's absolutely running, and I don't know why it's not. I did have a price prediction of like 1.8 trillion for the market cap of this altcoin run. That's not what I wanted. Something like that. And again, I do believe it will continue. It'll bounce off and then come up at the end of June. By July, end of June, July, I think we'll hit that $1.7 mark because we are in this fast uptrend of the channel. So if we can continue to hit, once we hit around 1.7 trillion dollars, I'm going to start taking a lot of my profits on altcoins. Let's go ahead and go back to Matic. Let's go. It's hard for me to really do any Fibonacci retracements because we haven't had a solid pullback, and we are looking. We do need to have a pullback. I'm going to go ahead and take a peek at the 4-hour chart here. I'm actually going to take a peek at the 1 hour. Yeah, we're making that. We're building up right there. So honestly, on the 1 hour chart, if we break above this, that's why I'm selling, because I really want to break down, sell. I'm probably going to buy back more at $2, maybe even just below $2. I believe we will continue to come down with Matic after we hit this green zone. We'll continue to pop down, and then we'll drop fast. We'll drop probably 10-12% really quick, just like some fat candles in this 20 SMA, 20 EMA will kind of push it up and it consolidate. And either we'll wait for this 50 SMA to come up and push it, or it'll come back and pull all the way back to this $187 range, which is very possible. But I do believe we will stay above this $2 range, and I would like to stay above that $2 range, just because that will help us greatly. Because we can stay above that, and then we have massive potential. Let's go ahead and I'm just putting a scenario in my head. This is not fact. This is just a scenario. So it breaks above this ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. Pulls up to 230. We'll do it right in the middle. So it's in a bullish trend. So if we can stay above that, again, that $2 range, that would be ideal, which is right what this is at. Stay above that. This is around between 50 and 38.2. So if we go ahead and look at some Fibonacci extensions, oh no. Go ahead and take a peek at that. We're looking at a price target of around 250, which would be crazy, and I would save my money for that. But again, I am only selling a quarter of my position. Oh no, it would be, yeah, 250. Right here. So it is above it, but I do believe we will find a resistance at 250, just because that is a strong resistance point. Because anything that, yeah, you guys know, I preach it all the time. Half dollars and whole dollars act as support and resistance. So 250 will be a price target that I have within the next couple days. But I really, I want to, I don't know how much money I'll gain an extra 10% of my money. So I'll have it's not worth me holding that quarter of my position just in case XRP decides to go up. And this is not even fact. This is just something I'm plotting and what could happen. And we need more data to actually have a higher probability of that happening. But Matic's absolutely exploding. I still have a $2.30 price target for Matic. I am selling a lot of my positions at $2.25. And again, I'm not big enough yet, so you guys can get my big corrections and stuff. But I will be disclosing. I will not be always saying my buy price, sell price, because it's if I get big enough actually. So right now I'm not big enough, and I'll gladly tell you guys what I'm doing in the market. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. I do videos like this every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Peace.